In this video, I will show you how to change your domain name in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites from the top. Next to your Hostinger Website Builder website, click on these little three dots and click on Change Domain. You need to know that by changing your website's domain, you will lose all the emails data related to this domain name. Check that you understand that and hit change. Fill in your domain name, for example, benstestinghosting.com. As you can see, my domain is registered and I need to confirm ownership. Now click on next and hit confirm. And as you can see, my domain name is successfully changed. And don't forget to give this video a like.